everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are joining us for the first time, hi, my name is Nenna and I want to welcome you also to join us by subscribing to my YouTube channel, because the more we are here, the merrier. In today's video, I am excited to show you guys what I got myself for Valentine's Day. And I know I should have filmed this video on Valentine's Day itself, which was 2 days ago, but I've been busy working, which is why I get to film this video today. And moreover, love is still in the air. This bag I'm about to show you guys had been on my wish list for more than 3 years. I started saving towards getting this bag at the beginning of last year in order to get it for my birthday this year, which by the way was 15th of last month, January. And I ended up getting a Christian Louboutin Socket 120mm heels instead for my birthday, because the thought of spending that much money on just one bag like this made me change my mind. And even after that, I didn't sleep at all because I kept on seeing this bag in my dreams, and I knew the only way I could get some rest was to pull the plug and get the bag, which is what I did. And that is why I am here to show you guys my amazingly beautiful Celine luggage tote bag in the micro size. Drum roll please. And here it is, the moment I have been waiting for, and I'm sure you guys want to see what's inside. But before I unbox this bag, a little backstory on the purchase of this bag. So when I finally made up my mind to buy this bag, I called up several stores, but nobody had it. Even the Celine boutiques, they didn't have it in the particular color I wanted and the style also. I finally found this bag at Designer's Bag in Nordstrom, Fashion Valley, California. Macy, the sales associate whom I spoke to over the phone, was amazing. She was great. We went back and forth about design, color and all that. But even after that, I didn't still end up getting the bag that same day. And it was a mistake I made, because I didn't sleep at all through the night. I kept on thinking, wondering, do I have to spend this much amount on this bag? And there are so many things I could do with this money, but the thought of getting this bag never left my mind at all. And the next day, I called them up again. And this time around, the SA was a guy, Andrew, who was also great. I kept calling him all through the day, and he kept on sending me pictures of different angles of this bag, and that sealed the deal for me. So I ended up purchasing this bag over the phone. Imagine buying a bag this expensive over the phone, not even seeing it, to try it on to see how the fit is on me and all that. That is to show you how crazy I am about this bag. So time to unbox this bag. In luggage tote doesn't come in the micro size, it doesn't come in a box of its own, so they had to put it in the Nordstrom box for me. This is it. Let's unbox together. Whoop. It has the Nordstrom seal here. In as much as I know what this bag is, but I haven't seen it. This is my first time also along with you guys seeing this bag. A card from Nordstrom. Nenna, enjoy your beautiful new Celine. Thank you, Andrew. Wow, that's so thoughtful of him. And more tissue. I'm so excited. This is another card from Nordstrom. We hope you love it. Thanks for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing. If you need to exchange or return it, please make sure it's in its original condition with all the packaging and any tags still attached. Nordstrom, thank you. No will do. I'm not returning this bag at all, as I plan to rock this bag. Oh, more thank you cards. No. Macy's card. And this is the receipt. Do you guys want to know how much I bought this bag? This bag cost $2,900. Then when you add the tax and the shipping cost and all that, everything came to a total of $3,126. Wow. Let me change it. Let me convert it to naira. 1,128,500 naira. That's approximately 1.130 million naira. Nenna, you spent this much on your bag. Okay. This is the bag. It comes in a off-white dust bag with the drawstrings. Ta-da-da! I am super excited. Ta-da! Can you see? Can you guys see this? Like, can you see this? Oh my god. Let me take off all this wrapping. Wow. I am speechless. Let's see what the interior looks like. And oh, by the way, before I go further, I got this bag. This is the red, and the red and the pebbled leather, pebbled skin leather. I don't know what's called here. And with the essay, he lets me know over the phone that it also came in pop red. Pop red came in the silver hardware, while this is the gold hardware. Look at what the interior looks like. A big hole with the micro suede. Lovely. Wow. What's this? Celine. Still the price. $2,900. And it has 2 slots here for cell phone, I suppose. Yes. And then this exterior compartment here, not so deep, not useless also, but can contain some cards, I suppose. Yeah. This bag, why I loved this bag, why I didn't get the mini, which is bigger than this, because after reading reviews on the mini, lots of people said it's quite heavy when you put stuff into it, and this size is perfect. It's not so big, it's not so small. It can contain a whole lot. And then guys, can you see the craftsmanship? The craftsmanship is stunning, like no loose thread or anything. I'm sure you're not supposed to see a loose thread on a luxury bag this expensive. Get to see this bag. I for one, I don't get to see this bag on a daily basis. No, in reality, I haven't seen this bag much in reality, just on Instagram. The bag is sturdy. And it's a classic design. This is a bag that even if I'm having a bad day at work, I remember it. A smile will light up my face, definitely. Like, this bag is, I see me having this bag like forever. It's a forever bag. I'm still tripping over the exquisite craftsmanship, guys. And then, oh, it has the feet here, which if I drop it on the table, there's no fear of it being scratched. The need to step out of my comfort zone greatly influenced my decision to get the bag in the red color, because I would have gravitated towards black being my favorite color. But I told myself this year that I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and do things that I don't do before. So that's why I got the red color. Wow, like, wow. I still can't believe that I am a proud owner of the Celine luggage tote in the micro size. This bag, as you can see, is top handle, which means I can only carry it two ways. Top handle like this, or in the crook of my arm. Let me stand up. Yeah, like this. Like, can you see? This is amazing. There you have it, guys. The unboxing of my luxury Valentine gift to myself. Yeah, one more time. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed. Cheers.